Hey guys, welcome back to another studio vlog. It is now April 6th, and for this month I do want to concentrate on putting out more products. A huge part of that is because a lot of my Etsy listings are now expired. I didn't renew them because a lot of them were either the design was slightly outdated and needed a revamp, or they were like the seasonal ones. So some of those are not on my Etsy anymore, so I don't have that many listings anymore. So I really want to concentrate on getting a shop update, maybe in May, so a month from now. My goal is to have a small release at the beginning of every month, and I do have a commission from a friend to make a sticker of her baby, so I also need to get that done. Aside from that, I do still have to take photos of the greeting card listing that I made a few weeks ago. So I need to retake all those photos. Hopefully I can have those listings up and ready for you guys by the time you guys see this video, if you guys are interested in a cute greeting card. And then, yeah, so let's get to it. Hey guys, so I finally updated the new pictures for a couple of my items. Here's one, and then here's two. Pretty happy with how these came out. And then the most important thing was that I finally put on the greeting card that I made. So there's a picture of both of them, the basic white cardstock and then the custom one. And they show you kind of like the individual ones. And then the inside of the two are different. Both white, but this one just has like a piece of white attached to it. And this is like the backing that you see for both, which is identical. These are all the different color envelopes that you can pick. And then this is like a quick description of how the custom card works with the different parts inside it. Hopefully this is not going to be too confusing for people. And publish. Alright, so yep, I'm glad that I was able to get that done. It's up and live now. We'll see how these greeting cards go. And I guess I also need to just like practice. If I do start getting a lot of orders for these greeting cards, one, I'll be super happy. But two, I would also, to make the packing procedure and the actual like print and sticking these together, that kind of procedure may be a little bit more efficient. But for now, hopefully some people will like these and then they'll order them. I guess I'm really hoping that people do like the customization option. But I mean, if most people are buying it and they're just buying the white cardstock, then I might just I'll still keep it up, but knowing that it's a lot easier once I start getting some sales. There's also a possibility that they don't sell at all. And that is okay, because it's just part of life and you just keep trying. Yeah. So I'm glad that's up. I do want to get back to my commission piece today. I'm still doodling. I'm still doing the color at this point. I think the outline is pretty much done. After the coloring, I just have to get it approved from the client. And then I can print, laminate, and put it in the Cricut to get a cut. So we'll see. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. So I finished drawing the image and I put it through Cricut, and this is what came out. Yeah, this is what I got. So initially when I tested it on the paper, it came out a little darker than what I wanted it to be. So I just went in Photoshop and I corrected the level, just the lighting. And then she wanted the Harry Potter font for M1. So at the end, we were choosing between sizes. I think we are gonna stick with this one. This one is 2.25 inches tall. A nice little sticker. Yeah, so she wanted 50 of these. So I'm just gonna go ahead, print out 50 of these, and then mail them out. Yeah, I use pirate ship. I don't ship through Etsy. All right, let's create a label. All right, so the rigid packing is gonna be 8 by 6. I mean, the flat mailer is gonna be like 8 by 6, 5.5 in height, let's say. All right, it's a little less than 4 ounces. So it says it's $3.50 for the flat mailer. So both of these are the same weight. Both of these are the same prices. So for a small box mailer and a rigid flat mailer. So I'm actually gonna go with the box mailer. Which is what I'm always so surprised with. Like, you would never think that these two are the same shipping rates for tracking. And that's what makes it so amazing. Like, usually it's just one flat rate for a lot of little things. And the only time it really goes up is like really in weight, at least for me. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna finish packing, and then I'm gonna double check the address because that's important. And then, what else was there? Great, I'm gonna finish packing this, and then that's it for this video. I think I wanna try and keep these videos to a project by project basis. I'm finding myself a hard time to remember to record everything or bring my camera everywhere. And I think it would hold me more accountable if maybe I can like squeeze out a project every 1 to 2 weeks and then just use that as a video. I don't know if you guys hear that, but there's this. I think one of my neighbors is getting a call. I'm not sure. Okay, just ignore me. Anyways, I'm gonna finish packing this. Yeah, so if you guys enjoy this video and would like to be kept up to date about it, please don't hesitate to poke the like and subscribe button for this video. And I'll see you guys in a week or 2. Bye guys.
Certain days, it's hard to say that you